Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at a really great alternative to the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Now this comes from a company called EarFun, and they are their true wireless earbuds, and the great thing about these is they can be picked up at the moment for under $50. They're currently running an Indiegogo campaign which will be linked in the description down below, but let's get to the video. So in regards to the unboxing experience, you can see here that you've got a bit of branding on the front, but all the information is on the back. You've got a true wireless connection, superior sound, wireless charging, 6 hours of playback which can be up to 30 plus hours with the battery case, IPX7 waterproof, voice assistant, ergonomic fit, and you've got a list of everything in the box down the bottom as well. And once you get into the box, you're granted with the earphones just here at the top, with the battery case at the bottom and some accessories down at the very bottom of the case. So taking the earphones out and putting them off to one side, and also the battery pack / charging case as well, we're then going to get to the goodies at the bottom, which, as I say, houses pretty much everything that you need to get the headphones up and running. Now the first thing that we're going to have is some silicone ear tips. You're going to have small, medium and also large as well to get that perfect fit for your ears, as these are going to be in-ear earbuds. Next up then, you are going to get the charging cable, and thankfully it is USB Type-C to USB Type-A. So what this means for me is I'm actually able to carry around one cable, and this is going to charge both the earbuds and also my OnePlus 6T or any other USB Type-C device that you may have. And then the very last thing you're going to find is a bunch of paperwork at the bottom here. So you do have a Better Sound, Better Life feedback card, so whether you are happy or dissatisfied with your product, you've got the option to kind of go with both routes. You're also then going to see that they also donate $1 off every purchase that they make to UNICEF as well, so it's really good to see that they're doing a little bit of charity work on the side when you're actually going ahead and purchasing some of their headphones. Lastly then, you're going to get the user manual with a ton of different languages and all the information that you need in regards to the headphones, all of the buttons, and just in general how they work. So as you can see, you get actually quite a lot in terms of what you get in the packaging itself, and as I mentioned, these headphones at the moment come in for under $50. You can actually pick them up for $45 over on their Indiegogo campaign. But now on to the actual earbuds themselves. So first off, you do have the carrying case, as you can see just here. It does have some information on the bottom that says that it's a 500 mAh battery, which, like I mentioned, is going to give you an extra 30 plus hours of listening playback, along with the 6 hours that come with the actual earphones themselves. Now you can also see on the back there the USB Type-C connector, but one thing that I would say is the packaging itself isn't necessarily the most premium, so let's take a quick listen. On the front, you do have a battery indicator for 100, 75, 50 and also 25% as well, so that you know exactly when you're going to be running low, and the earbuds themselves do also have a red light if they're running low on battery. However, if they are fully charged, there's no light whatsoever. Now you can see the connect pins on the inside and also left and right, so you know which way you're going to be putting them back into the actual charging case itself, but they really only go in one way, so that's not really too much of a problem. Now the earbuds themselves have a 6mm graphene driver, so they're going to actually give some really nice sound to them as well, and they have a really ergonomic fit as well. Now EarFun actually put in around 240 days into research with 3D printed models of various different earbuds and headphones, just so that you could get that perfect fit, and they do actually fit extremely well, which we'll get onto in just a moment on the video. Now you do also have touch buttons on both the left and right ear cup, so they can do things like play and pause with a single tap, forwards and backwards with a double or triple press, and you can also double tap to get to your Google Assistant as well, which is really handy on the go. Now the earbuds only fit in one way back into the case, and they do also snap into place with some really strong magnets as well, so they're not necessarily going to go anywhere. However, I would like the lid of the case to be a little bit stronger. And also, just a very quick example, charging my OnePlus 6T here with my USB Type-C cable, if I just go ahead and unplug this, I can then plug in the earbuds without any issues whatsoever at all. And one really awesome feature to these earbuds, like with the Galaxy Buds, is they do also have wireless charging built straight into the actual case itself. So if I go ahead here and and get my wireless charger. You can see here that once I put them on, they charge no problem at all. So again, if you've got something like a Samsung Galaxy S10 device, then you are also going to get reverse wireless charging capabilities as well, allowing you to charge the earbuds with your phone. Now when it comes to the fit of the earphones, like I've already mentioned, they've put in a ton of time into actually getting the correct fit, and for me these are probably the best fitting earbuds that I've ever tried. Now the way that I always do it is I put the earbuds in and twist them ever so slightly so that they definitely stay in place, and as always we're going to do a quick head shake test to see how they stay in. So again, not really any problems there at all. The overall sound is really good, and also if you're a lover of bass, these are also really nice headphones as well, as they do offer a really deep, rich bass that you don't normally get with some truly wireless earbuds. The soundstage in general is very open, and I've had some really nice experiences listening to podcasts, heavy metal, rap music, and a ton of different genres. And again, with the Bluetooth 5.0 on board, you're not going to have any issues in regards to disconnection problems or really any lag if you're watching any YouTube videos as well. And while I like the idea of having the built-in buttons, sometimes you do need to press the buttons a little bit too hard in regards to maybe a double tap to skip track, which unfortunately just pushes the earphones deeper into your ear. So overall, would I recommend these earbuds over a high quality brand like Samsung and their Galaxy Buds? Well, taking into account that you're nearly saving $100 on the actual earphones themselves, I would definitely say yes. Now yes, you do miss out on some of the features like the really awesome pairing that you get with a Samsung device, but it's not really that hard to actually connect via Bluetooth, take out both the earbuds, go into your Bluetooth settings, and it does it all automatically. You don't need to do one earbud and then the other. It's going to connect them as a pair, which makes it really easy. So like I mentioned at the start of the video, I'm going to have the Indiegogo campaign linked in the description down below. Now these earbuds come in both white and black models, and the white colour are starting to ship right now. So again, if you want to get an even closer look and feel to those Galaxy Buds, now is a great time to pick these up. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. If you've got any questions about these earbuds or anything else here on the channel, let me know in the comments section down below or on Twitter at @CopperVersusGlass. For more great content moving forward, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on notifications to be notified anytime I post a new video here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.